Hi, and welcome. If you've heard about the Smarthome app and you're excited to start using it, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to download the app and get everything set up so you can start managing your home Wi-Fi with ease. Let's get started. First, go to the Google Play Store or the Apple Store on your mobile phone or tablet. In the search bar, type Inet Smart Home and download the app. Once the app is installed, open it and tap Let's Get Started. Enter your email address, then select Countries and tap Continue. Since this is your first time using the app, enter your first name, last name, email address, and choose a password you'll use to access the app. Now it's time to onboard your service. On the next screen, select My System and Wi-Fi are already set up. For this step, you'll need your modem information. You can enter it by scanning the QR code on your modem or by manually entering the MAC address and serial number. You'll usually find the QR code on the front or bottom of your modem. If you no longer have the sticker with the QR code, no problem. Just call us at 611 or visit any Inet store and we'll be happy to help you get that information. Once the QR code is scanned, the app will automatically load on your system. It may take a few minutes for all your connected devices to register, so just hang tight. For more tips and step-by-step guides on using advanced features, be sure to check out the Inet YouTube page. And that's it. Congratulations, you now have full control of your home Wi-Fi network right at your fingertips with the Inet Smarthome app. Thanks for watching and welcome to a smarter way to connect.